This is the SharkBite half-inch 90-degree elbow. In this video, I will show you how to connect the copper tube and the PEX tube, and how to disconnect them. Let's check the inside. In the middle, there's a plastic inner tube. So basically, just put the inner tube inside the copper or PEX. And then you'll see the metal teeth. And inside there's O-ring. So you need to pass the metal teeth and pass the O-ring all the way into here. So that's where our mark is, like this. So when you get ready, you just line up. You feel the resistance now. You're touching the metal teeth. So push in. Now you pass that the first resistance right here, that's the metal teeth. Now you're gonna go deeper, go to the O-ring. Keep pushing. Okay, now we fully pushed in right here. And the mark is here, so we're done on this side. The next, I'm gonna show you how to push the PEX. The same thing, the inner tube need to go inside. And then push. Okay, now it's all the way in. My mark is a little bit off. So the job is done. You can rotate a little bit, but it's not recommended to rotate too much because O-ring have some lubricant. If you rotate too much, the lubricant may just not enough to seal. So if you're not happy with it or you want to make some change, you can disconnect them. There's a special tool for disconnecting. There's an opening. You put this one in like this, either side, this side or that side, they're okay. And while you're disconnecting, you need to push the ring this way and grab the tube outside. We push the orange ring and grab the tube. Okay. Now do the PEX. Same thing. Push and pull. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.